Hello, Redmi warriors. Struggling with sound issues on your Note 13? Let's fix your sound problems in just 1 minute. First, check your volume settings. Go to Settings, then Sound and Vibration. Make sure your volume's not on mute. Next, clean your speaker. Use a bit of compressed air to blow away any dust or debris. A quick restart can work wonders. Hold that power button and restart your phone. Still no luck? Update your software. Head to Settings, then System Updates and install any available updates. Check your app settings too. Make sure the audio settings within the app you're using are correct. Try enabling or disabling mono audio. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, and toggle mono audio. If nothing's working, back up your data and do a factory reset. If the problem persists, contact Xiaomi customer support. And there you have it. Your Redmi Note 13 should be singing again in no time. Hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes.